What is up guys, Super Zans here. So guys, in this video I'm gonna collect so many cool guns. So guys, without any further ado, let's collect some guns. Oh, look at this guys, we got the basket. Now let's find the guns. Oh wow, ajiban teman-teman. Wow guys, have you seen something like this before? Wow, I'm sure you have not seen this. Wow. Now guys, let's collect them. Let's put the basket here besides the tree, and now let's collect it. Whoa, wow, look at this grenade. So this is a grenade. Let's throw it. now guys, let's collect it. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa, it is space gun.
Fire! Fire! No, stop the gun!
Wow, so cool. Oh wow guys, look at this one. Wow, look at this. This looks so cool. Nerf gun. It is Elite 2.0 Commander. Let's go. Excellent. Whoa, now guys, which one will collect next? Whoa, look at this guy's knife. Whoa, so cool. Whoa guys, look at this machine gun UMP. Very nice. Whoa, look at this one. Wow, shotgun double barrel. Let's go. Nice. Whoa, look at this one. Whoa, look at this M16 M9 Blast. Very good. Whoa guys, this looks so cool. Which one is this? Whoa, it is AK47. Wow, this looks cool. Let's try one more guys. Oh wow, very nice. Whoa, now let's collect some another gun. Whoa, wow, this looks nice. It is a Spider-Man pistol. Wow, very good. Whoa, what is this? Wow, it is hot fire Nerf gun. Let's go. Nice. Whoa, it is machine gun XM8. Machine gun XM8. Cool. Wow guys, pistol. Wow, very nice. Whoa, what is this? Space gun. Cool. Wow guys, look at this. It is camera. Good. Whoa, look at this one. This is ballistic police uses this stick. Wooden stick. Wow, so cool. Whoa. Look at this one, guys. M16. Very cool. Wow, guys. Look at this. Another machine gun. Wow, I like it. Whoa, look at this one. Wow, pistol. So cool. Wow, look at this one, guys. This is shotgun, double barrel. Cool. Whoa, guys, only 3 left. Wow, which one is this one? Let's see. Wow, it is pistol. Oh, so good. Very good. Guys, look at this. Whoa, it is AK47. Wow, very cool. Oh, look at this, guys. So many guns we've collected so far. Wow, guys, only one left in here. Wow, it is Elite Nerf gun Disruptor. Let's go. Whoa, wow, guys, look at this. How many guns we've collected today from here, from this place, guys. Did you enjoy it? Because I enjoyed a lot collecting them, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to Super Zens. And guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and peace out. Love you guys. Bye. See you soon, guys. This is so many cool toy guns. Wow.